Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new, how y'all doing? What's good? What's popping? What's smacking? What's cooking? Like, what's happening? Let me know. Let me know. Okay, so today's look was inspired by Valentine's Day, but it just so happened that my lamp and I, like, we coordinated. It wasn't on purpose. So without further ado, let's get on to the look. Alright, so to get started, I'm using my Super Stay Better Skin concealer from Maybelline, and I blend it out with my fingers. After blending my concealer, I use my Real Techniques beauty blender to set the concealer with Sasha Buttercup powder. As always, we're going to use Oktoberfest as our transition shade. For the rest of the look, I'll be using a palette called Joli Colibri. I'm not sure how you say it, but it's from Clueless Kit. I'm using this shade in the top right corner, and this will be my crease shade, and Loki's second transition shade, but mostly I'm placing it in my crease. Next, I'm taking the color right underneath the previous shade, and I'm focusing that in my outer corner and bringing it into my crease. I tried to find a single pot match, but since I didn't label the colors in the palette, it was kind of hard. But I'll list the names in the description box below of the shades I think best match. I'm using the same concealer that I used to prep my eyes to cut my crease. Instead of setting my creases with powder, I placed the next color right on top. I do so because I wanted the pigment to be bright, but it didn't really help. Now I'm going back to intensify the outer corner and blend out any harsh lines. For final touches, I'm using the shimmery color in the corner, and I put that in my inner tear look, and then pop on some lashes. To smoke out my lower lash line, I use the same color I placed in my outer corner, and I bring that about 3/4 of the way in. And that's it, y'all. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll catch y'all in my next video.